Here is a case study question from the recent sample paper about how a parallelogram can be formed by paper folding. Very good question. This is done by using the concept of midpoint theorem. Just watch how this can be done. So we have taken some paper, a kind of four-sided figure, a quadrilateral. So what are the steps involved that we have to tell in the case study question? I'm showing you this by paper folding. So first, that quadrilateral, whichever quadrilateral we have taken, join it by the diagonal. So you'll observe how we are using midpoint theorem concept to create or get a parallelogram by paper folding. So first, join the diagonal by paper creasing, and then you get two triangles. So for the two triangles, get the midpoints of the two sides by paper folding. We are not using any ruler or anything. Just by creasing, get the midpoint of one side. Similarly, get the midpoint of the other side also. Once you get the midpoint, if you are able to see well, otherwise mark with a pen the midpoints. And connect those two midpoints and fold it and crease it. Then by midpoint theorem, the line joining midpoints of two sides is parallel to third side and is half of third side. That concept we'll use. And then the other side triangle, do the same. Any two sides, not any two sides, not the base, the other two sides, midpoint by paper folding. Find it just by crease it. And the other side, midpoint. Yeah, the midpoint of this side. Just hold the end to end and crease it. That is the midpoint, and mark it and hold the two creased part and fold the paper and connect them. Just crease it, and then you will understand that you get a line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle, and by midpoint theorem, that line is going to be parallel to third side and is half of third side. Now you have in this quadrilateral a pair of opposite sides which are parallel to the diagonal and is half of the diagonal. So those two creases that was formed by joining midpoints of the two sides, they will be parallel and equal to each other. And then you know that in a quadrilateral, if one pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal, it's a parallelogram. So now the end points you have to connect. So by the time you reach the end point, so connect them, crease it. Just for visibility, you can like draw with a pen. Now the outline that you see, that is a parallelogram. So connect this concept with the concept of midpoint theorem, and you have successfully answered the case study question. That is a 2-mark question out of the 4-mark questions. I hope you understand. God bless.